Good afternoon, children. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to share one sample paper like your annual exam. So you have to solve the paper and send me in my WhatsApp number. डोंट सेंड इन पोर्टल. ठीक है, पोर्टल में सेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब तो आप सीख गए हो हाउ टू सेंड, हाउ टू अपलोड आंसर शीट ऑन पोर्टल. सो नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट एंड देन send. So today I have given one unseen passage. So unseen passage you have to read and solve the this is unseen passage. Okay. After that I have given true false and 2 questions only I have given. Okay, true false, 5 true false I have given and question and answer. So this is the paragraph you have to solve in your copy. Before that, write your name, subject and class. That has to be written in your copy. After that, you can start your paper. So, in between, I will ask you one by one. You have to unmute yourself and then read the paragraph fluently. Okay, one by one I will ask you, so you have to be ready. Dakshita,
Yes, ma'am.
read this paragraph.
A big wolf was a great big fox cry and asked honey brother,
Dakshita, it is
that
what
are you?
saw. SAW, saw.
Yes, ma'am.
It is not was, it is saw. A big wolf saw.
A great big fox cry and asked honey brother why you was cry. The fox the the cry and so I am cry. We can not get 3 goat, but of the मैम अपना मैम वो वर्ड नहीं दिख रहा है उसमें ये तो carrot filled with I will get the goat out of a chiffish and wolf ran after the goat.
Wow,
But no. Yes, ma'am?
wow, wow. That is a sound of goat.
Wow, wow. Wow, wow. But not. But no, the goats did not come jam of fox and the wolf went bo.
Dakshita, please follow some certain rules whenever you will read any paragraph. First of all, you have to notice, I hope you have noticed the full stop. So if you see full stop is there, punctuation mark is there, you should give a pause for few seconds. Okay? Otherwise, your reading is good. And now start solving the paper. Nischay Jain.
मैम मैम आपने मैम स्टार्टिंग में ऊपर क्या लिखने बोला था मैम?
You have to
एडिंग मैम.
name, class and subject. Name, class and subject.
यस
Now, read this paragraph.
यस.
Other children, please do your work. Bolo.
A big wolf said the great big fox crying and asked, "Hey brother, why are you crying?" The fox, the sweet boy, is crying, and so I am crying. We cannot get his 3 goats out of the carrot field. Wolf, I will get the goats out in a jiffy. The wolf ran after the goats. Wow, wow, but no, the goats did not come. Jim, the fox, and the wolf went boo boo.
Good. Now read the paragraph again and then solve the answer. What animal saw the great fox for crying? Whom did the fox see crying? What did the wolf do to get the goats out of the field? What did the wolf to do get the goat out of the field?
मैम हमको पैराग्राफ नहीं लिखना है ना?
Answers in this paragraph, you have to search out this paragraph. You have to search out the answer from this paragraph. Vaibhav,
Yes.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
What an
Yes.
a big so a big wolf say the great big from king and asked
Stop, Vaibhav.
he
Stop. ये क्या लिखा है? WOLF?
wolf
No. Wolf. WOLF.
wolf
Wolf. SAW.
saw
Saw. SAW.
saw
The. Next.
the great big fox.
What did you say? Greatest.
Great ma'am.
Great.
Great big fox scream.
No. What is the spelling of cry? CRY. And then ING. Crying.
Crying and asked
आप
he her bottle
Vaibhav. ASKED. Ask. A big wolf
asked
saw. फिर से याद
big but
पढ़ो. A big.
a big wolf saw the great big fox crying and asked hi bottle
No. HEY. 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 Hey.
hey BROTHER bottle
No. BROTHER क्या होता है?
brother
Brother. FATHER father. MOTHER mother. BROTHER brother.
but brother why are you crying? The fox, the sweet boy, is crying, and so I am crying. We cannot get these 3 goats out of the court
नो नो
Fox.
नो
Wolf.
स्पेलिंग पढ़ो, स्पेलिंग।
CARROT. Croc.
CAR
Double ROT.
CAR car, ROT rot,
Road.
rot. Read.
Can road.
कैरेट, कैरेट, गाजर, गाजर को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? कैरेट।
Carrot.
Carrot.
FIELD. Field. Wolf.
नहीं,
Wolf.
wolf.
I will get the goats out in a
Jiffy.
jiffy. The wolf ran
No, RAN,
ran after the goats. But no, the goats did. Ma'am, it did not come. Jim, the fox and the wolf went bob.
हाँ, read the paragraph again and then solve the answer. सारे आंसर्स इस paragraph के अंदर है, आपको ढूंढना है. You have to search and write the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
आरुष दुर्गेशी. Others, please don't waste your time. Complete your work. मैं एक एक करके रीडिंग करवा रही हूँ. That means ये नहीं कि आप लोग बैठे रहोगे. काशवी लूंकड़.
Yes, ma'am.
कभी इस क्लास आते हो, कभी नहीं आते हो? काशवी, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Net problem.
Okay, and I didn't get your work also. You have to complete your notes in your copy that you have not sent. आपने वो send भी नहीं किया है. So you have to complete your work also.
नेट नहीं चल रहा है इसलिए मैम कभी नहीं भेज पाती हूँ.
Now complete your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Arish Durgeshi and Apurva also, you are not regular. Apurva. Sometimes you attend the class, sometimes not. That is not a good thing. You have to attend daily.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read. Arush.
Big wolf saw the great big fox crying and asked, "Hi, brother, why are you crying?" The fox, "The sweet boy is crying, and so I am crying. We cannot get this. We cannot get his 3 goats out of the carrot field. Wolf, I will get the goats out in jiffy." The wolf ran after the goats. Whoa, whoa, but no, the goats did not come. Jim, the fox, and the wolf went. Boo, boo.
Yes. Now solve the paper. After that, true false is also there. True false and question answer is also there. Yes, Apurv.
मैम प्लीज आप स्क्रॉल अप करो ना अपने पेज को. मैम मेरे को नहीं दिख रहा है. मैं को Q&A कर रहा हूँ फर्स्ट का.
Now okay, I hope. Samiksha.
Ma'am, I want to read.
Okay. Read it.
A big wolf saw the great big fox crying and asked, "Hey brother, why are you crying?" The fox, the sweet boy, so I am crying. The goat out a jiffy.
Okay. Maybe some network issue, Samiksha.
And boo boo.
Molly.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
A big wolf saw the great big fox crying and asked, "Hey brother, why are you crying?" The fox, the sweet boy, is crying, and so I am crying. We cannot get his. We cannot. Oh, yeah. Ma'am, we cannot get his 3 goats out of the carrot filled. Wolf, I will get the goats out in the G fly
Jiffy. Jiffy.
Jiffy. The wolf ran after the goats but no, the goats did not come. Jim, the fox and the wolf want Bobo.
Ronak.
Ma'am, we have to write only answer.
Only write the answer and after that solve this true false. And 2 questions I have given that you have to write in your copy. जल्दी से लिखोगे, बैठे नहीं रहोगे, please don't waste your time. Ronak Jain. Ronak Jain. Yes, Ronak.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read.
A big wolf say the
Say नहीं है बेटा, saw. SAW.
saw the great big wolf crying and asked,
Hey brother. Hey
brother, why are you crying? The wolf does sweet boy the cry.
SW.
Sweet boy,
Sweet.
sweet boy, the crying is crying, and so I am crying. We cannot
get his tree
Goat.
goat
Goat.
out of the carrot
Carrot.
field
Field.
wolf I will get the goat out in a jiffy.
Jiffy. The wolf
Jiffy.
ran after the goat.
The wolf after the goat.
Wow, wow. But no goats did not come. Jim
Um, G
the wolf went
wolf.
bow.
Wow, wow.
Okay, so complete the answers. Vaibhav 1, Vaibhav 1, Vaibhav 2. इसके बाद मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी आपसे. I hope you have learned this question. Why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school? So be ready this answer. I will ask you. Vaibhav 2. So now Vaibhav 1 ready?
No, ma'am.
Vaibhav 1 ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. Beside film song, what other kind of song did Lata Mangeshkar sing? फिल्म सॉन्ग के अलावा और भी क्या क्या सॉन्ग था? She has sung bhajan and ghazal. Bolo, she has sung bhajan and ghazal. Repeat after me. Vaibhav, she has sung. Vaibhav, bolo, repeat after me. Samiksha, complete your work. Why are you playing, Samiksha? After completing this class, you have to send me your copy. So, Vaibhav 1, please tell me the answer. He has sung bhajans and ghazal. This is the right answer. Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school?
Because in school, her teachers not
Because she stopped to going to school because her first day she saw teaching of other children song and the teacher stopped. So baby Lata told her father that she decided not to go as they wouldn't let her sing.
मैम
एनुअल एग्जाम है 1 मार्च से. ये सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर कॉपी में लिखना है आपको. व्हेन यू विल लर्न दिस आंसर? बोलो काव्या. अगेन रिपीट आफ्टर मी. वेयर इज योर कॉपी? वेयर इज योर इंग्लिश कॉपी? टेक योर इंग्लिश रीडर कॉपी.
yes, ma'am.
सुयेश कोचर. सुयेश कोचर.
लोकयानम लोकयानम लोकयोग्रानम अभयदानम चक्षुदानम
सुयेश कोचर.
दानम कीर्तनम भोजनम धमदानम धमदेशनम धमनागानम धमसारिणम धमावरणम.
खबरी नहीं मिल रहा है.
सुयेश कोचर. Yes, Nischay, tell me.
मैम हमको ट्रू एंड फॉल्स के मैम क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखेगा तो मैम चलेगा?
Only write the answer. It seemed to the poet that the duck were angry when daddy fell into the pond. You have to write only answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Kavya, ready? Kavya, tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
She stopped going to school because first day she saw teaching of other children.
Yes, she stopped going to school because on her first day she was teaching the other children songs and the teacher stopped her from doing so. Baby Lata told her father that she decided not to go as they wouldn't let her sing.
Again, repeat again.
Yes, ma'am. She stopped going to school because on her first day she was teaching the other children songs and the teacher stopped her from doing so. Baby Lata told her father that she decided not to go as they wouldn't let her sing.
Very good. You have to learn the answer, then write in your copy. अभी learn करो, उसके बाद लिखोगे copy में. Priyansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did Lata stop going to school? Priyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is
Ma'am.
the reader copy? Where is your English reader copy? Dakshita. Tell me, Dakshita.
मैम स्क्रीन अप करो ना मैम स्क्रीन ऊपर करो मैम मेरे को पैसेज देखना है पैसेज
Okay.
मैम
Please tell me the answer, Dakshita. Dakshita, tell me the answer. Why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school?
यस मैम
Why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school?
यस मैम
Sorry, Surana.
मैम लता she stopped going to school because on her first day she was teaching other children song and teacher stopped her from doing so. Baby Lata told her father she decided not to go as wouldn't
Let her
sing.
What?
Let her sing. Yes, ma'am.
Learn करो. Sorry, Surana. Why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school?
She stopped going to school because on her first
चाची दादा का है
stopped her from doing so. Baby Lata told her father that she decided not to go as they wouldn't not let her sing.
Please learn the answer, okay?
Ma'am, learn.
Navya.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this paragraph.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this paragraph.
तुम लोग चुप रहो मेरे को पढ़ना है अभी रुको a big wolf saw the great big fox crying and asked Brother, why are you crying? The fox, the sweet boy, is crying, and so तेरे को नहीं पता तो मत कर. So I am crying. We cannot get his 3 goats out of the throat filled.
Carrot field. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot.
Carrot filled wolf. I will get the goats. देखो और खींच दे बोल चुप रहो goats out in a jungle. The wolf ran after the goats. हाँ ये क्या लिखा है मैम WHOA
O-A, wow, wow. Wow, wow.
HOA but no the goats did not come. Jim the fox and the wolf went bobo.
Navya, where is your copy? You have to write the answer. I think.
मैम मैं अभी बाहर
आपको ये आंसर अच्छा नव्य ये लर्न हो गया है. You have learned this. It seemed the poet that the ducks were angry when daddy fell into the pond. True or false, Navya?
yes मैम
It is true or false. It seemed to the poet that the ducks were very angry when daddy fell into the pond. It true or false?
true.
Okay. It seemed the poet that the ducks were angry and the daddy fell into the pond. जब daddy गिर गए तो सारे ducks बहुत गुस्सा हो गए थे.
False.
It is not true. Kashvi Lunkad.
Yes, ma'am.
एक तो नहीं चलता है आपका. आपके पास बुक भी नहीं है. You don't have book.
मैम बुक है लेकिन मैम उसमें ये चैप्टर नहीं है.
Oh, what a good answer. I have book, ma'am, but the chapter is not there. So what is the uses of book? वो बुक रखने का मतलब क्या है?
मैम वो दूसरी बुक है.
Okay. Priyansh, Ronak, your voice is not coming. Ronak Jain. Ronak Jain. Ronak Jain, I am waiting. Your voice is not coming. Okay, Apurv. Apurv, have you learned this answer? Apurv. Vaibhav 2. Why Lata Mangeshkar is going to, why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school? Tell me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaibhav, बोलो मुझे. Why did Lata Mangeshkar stop going to school?
Ma'am, I don't know answer.
आपको ये आंसर मुझे बताना है. Please tell me the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know answer.
You don't know the answer. When you will know, no? When you will learn this answer after annual exam? Tell me the second question. Besides film song, what other kind of song did Lata Mangeshkar sing? लता मंगेशकर फिल्म सॉन्ग के अलावा भी कौन सा गाए हैं? Besides film song, what other kind of song did Lata Mangeshkar sing? ये भी आपको नहीं पता? भजन and गजल. Just now I told the answer. भजन and गजल. क्या होगा आंसर?
Mother and uncle.
क्या? बोलो.
Ma'am, Bhajan and Gangal.
कंगल. भजन भजन. बोलो. प्लीज रिपीट.
Bhajan and Gangal.
गजल. भजन एंड गजल. गजल.
Gangal.
मंगल बोल रहे बार बार. इट्स अ गजल.
गल
Galgal.
गल नहीं गर
Galgal.
आपको फिर से क्लास 4 में पढ़ना है. इस साल फिर से क्लास 4 में पढ़ोगे. आप तो बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ाई कर रहे हो. आप कैसे एग्जाम में पास हो गए, आप बताओ मुझे. मुझे
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ. Timothy cried when he saw his father fell into the pond. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. The poet and his family were spending a day at a cinema.
Ma'am, true.
वाह, दिन भर सिनेमा में बिताए थे, मूवी देखने गए थे पूरे टिमटी
Ma'am, false.
फैमिली.
Ma'am, false.
मतलब बिना सोचे कुछ भी बोल देना है ना. You just not thinking at all. The sky was blue. The poet were in good mood. True or false? The sky was blue and the poet was in good mood. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
True. अगर मैं true नहीं बोलूंगी तो तुम false बोलोगे. दोनों में से एक ही तो बोलना है.
Ma'am, true है तो इसका आंसर.
The sky was blue. उस दिन sky blue था and the people were good mood. सब लोग बहुत खुश थे. तुम मेरे पास हो तो मेरे हाथ से तुम आज बच नहीं पाते. I already taught you so many times this poem. Daddy fell into the poem. Daddy fell into the pond. Please recite this poem and try to understand the meaning of the poem. That day the sky was grey, not blue.
Yes, ma'am.
दिन भर खेलो और क्लास 4 में फिर से रह जाओ. Don't give this type of smile. You are not studying at all, Vaibhav. I am very disappointed. That day I already told you, please, Vaibhav, learn all the question answer. But you have not learned. And the question of Lata Mangeshkar, that you also not done.
Sorry, ma'am.
Arush Durgeshi. Time over. Please learn this question answer and then write in your copy and then send me. I will give you extra 1 hour.